What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are on Western Union and I'm gonna teach you how to send money from Western Union to bank accounts, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So guys, Western Union is worldwide money transfer platform, one of the most reliable. So I'm gonna teach you how to transfer money from Western Union to your bank account. So let's see what we have. So first step is, of course, you need to register and verify your free profile. So log in or sign up your profile for free to transfer money from your bank account. You can verify your profile using your United States driver license, passport, or government issue ID. Then you can choose the amount and destination. So what you need to do is enter the destination and the amount you'd like to send, select bank account as the receive method, and of course enter your recipient's details. To transfer money to someone else's bank account, you'll need to have their details to your hand. Enter your recipient's details to transfer money directly to their bank account. Of course, you need to select a payment method, one of your respectable cards. So whether you want to pay with your debit or credit card, it's up to you, or transfer the money directly through your bank account without using a card. And of course, fifth and the final step is confirm, send, and track your transfer. So your money is on its way and can arrive in as little as few minutes, but it can take up to 4 business days if funds are sent from your bank account. You can track that money, as I told you, and you and your receiver can keep tabs on the money transfer with the tracking number, which is MTCN, which is a long digit number which you need to send to your recipient. So guys, overall that's the entirety of the process on how to transfer money from Western Union to bank account. So overall guys, that's the entirety of the process. So thank you so much for watching and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.